Well, it's March 24th and it's still really cold out, so I'm going to take this opportunity to get down some of my annual seeds, things like pansies and borage or borage, however you say it, stuff that will come up early and do its thing within the next 4 to 6 weeks. That's our plan today. Poppy seeds are really fine. Basically, they look like black pepper. So the idea is to sprinkle them out on the top of the surface of the ground, and you don't disturb the surface afterwards. These are California poppy seeds, and you can see the seeds are much bigger than the somniferas, which are almost like the size of a grain of salt. So again, just a surface sow, let them do their thing. They'll generate in a few weeks.